This originally was completely covered up and sheetrocked and finished over. So we didn't even know this was there. We didn't notice it until we did the sheetrock, pulled it down, and then we went to go put a vent on there. But we realized this is not a vent. This was an actual illegal junction box. Whenever you're doing a construction project, you always need a little bit of contingency, especially if you purchased an old home or you purchased a home that someone else had for a long time and didn't do a lot of maintenance on it. You can tell if they didn't do a lot of maintenance if they have some of the original outlets, original switches, original things in the home. When you see that original stuff with a little bit of new stuff, what that means is they probably did a lot of it illegally. And this is a prime example. And when you try to get a permit for a work like this, it will open up a can of worms that could be extremely costly. Anytime you see illegal electrical or illegal HVAC work, it's very expensive because one, you have to track down the problems, and two, it often means opening up walls to run new wires, add grounds where they belong, and connect it properly to the panel, put junction box in properly, and label the panel properly. Um, Undoubtedly, none of that is done here because when you see this, you completely understand that the person who did this was not an electrician, did not have a license, and they're unfamiliar with electrical permitting and electrical code in general. And when you see something that's this blatant, it makes me worry about what else is behind the walls. So it should also make you worry. What else is behind your walls? If you need help checking it out and you see this, give us a call, send us a picture, we'll look at it. I'll give you an idea of about how much it'll cost. But know that if you have any illegal electrical in your roof, in your ceiling, in your walls, it's going to be expensive to fix because your electrician is going to have to open the walls, be sure he opens them carefully and neatly. Otherwise, it will cost even more money to make the repairs, paint the walls, and refinish them back. So, yeah, just know that.